fitting hood hinges. This is our C3 LS hood. And when we make our hoods, they're finished on the back side. This one with static electricity is sucking up the dust in the world, but you can see how nice it is finished. In order to make a finished backside, you have to add to the backside. So in turn, we're adding to this front lip because you don't have the lip here stepping down like an original hood. It's thicker, okay? So with our hood being thicker, because backside being finished, everything that goes into that, this lip is a little bit thicker. So when you see this lip in your hood hinge, if you see the gap in there with your hood hinge is sitting a little bit high because it's hitting right here because we made this thicker. So all you have to do is notch that a little bit. It's pretty simple to do. Like anytime you're doing body work, sometimes things seem more complicated than they are, but if you're not used to it, in our world we're used to this because this is what we deal with every day. And so you sit your hood hinge back on there, you center it, you come in here and make a center line there and a center line here, and you get your width of what you're doing. And you're going to come in here we have a little grinder. So once you have your marks where you want this, take your grinder give yourself a little bit of leadway for adjustment. Now your hinge is fitting. This is solid through here. You have 4.5 ounces of mat on this side, 3 ounces of mat on this side, and then our bonding material. This hood is bonded together in the mold. It never comes out of the mold until it's completely bonded together. Put your notch in there on both sides. When your hinge is in there, it's pretty much covering everything up. You paint it, that'll be painted in. Hopefully that's simple enough for you. We're done.